Okay, so for now, off camera, I just removed the sticker from this main part just to make it easy for me to take the, I think they're called shandles. I'm so bad with like the actual definition of these things, so someone can correct me in the comments, but this just makes it easier to kind of go in and out of my bag, and then it's just so freaking cute, you guys. And because I'm sure a lot of you guys will be wondering and want a comparison between the gold color in Epsom of my mini Kelly and also the chai Birkin I have, why don't we do a little comparison? So here you can see this is the gold Hermes mini Kelly. And now here we have my chai Birkin. So as you can see, there's quite a big difference. The chai is a much more cool toned, I would say light brown taupe color. They both have that gold hardware, but this is the Togo leather, no contrast stitching. And then we have the mini Kelly in gold, which has a lot more vibrant and warm brown with a little bit of red undertone to it as well, like a beautiful caramel color in the mini Kelly. So you see the size difference and of course the style of the bag, and much different in what you can actually fit in these bags as well. But here you can see, this is my chai Birkin. I usually like to hold her like that. In the mini Kelly, you can hold like this. You can hold like this. Like I said, I don't love the crossbody use of the strap, but I think using the strap just like this would be really cute as well. So stunning. Which one do you guys think complements me better and looks better on me? I love them both so much. I wonder which one I'm going to use more and love more over time, but I'm just absolutely obsessed with this gold on gold mini Kelly we have right now. And I know that the resale value on these Hermes mini Kellys are absolutely crazy. Everybody is dying for the mini size, which I think is absolutely adorable. And I do love, but I actually think that my favorite size out of all of them would probably have to be the 25. I just think it's like the perfect size bag, not too big, not too small. I think this size is adorable as well, but given the fact that it can't even fit a phone and some essentials that I may need, it would be hard to use on an everyday basis. it's me, Blushing Baby, in Japan, in Tokyo, live from my hotel room. So I'm gonna take you so we can see out the window. A little cloudy, and cherry blossom season is just about to start. Let's see, but you can see outside. So beautiful. The city. And I'm wearing a new top I got in Harajuku yesterday.